What's up, guys? Just taking a quick look at this outdoor edge bone saw. Been using this for about the last 3 years and it's holding up really well. As you can see, not too many scuffs or anything like that, and the actual blades are holding up great. I use this for deer hunting specifically, and I find it to be a really nice tool for that. So as you can see, kind of just hook it up. You have a hook right here and then serrated blades. Kind of give you a close-up look of those just so you can see how sharp they are. But I find that they have not lost an edge or anything like that. They work incredibly well. On the back of the knife, you just have a simple back lock here, and then you're able to close it. It doesn't lock in place like that, but I've never had any issues with it. Also, it's super slim, really easy to put in your pack and just take it on the go when you're going out into the field. So if you're looking for a tool like this, guys, I cannot recommend this enough. I've used a few different versions and this is by far my favorite. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.